Hi everyone! Dinner with Doctorniti today is Tulsi stir fry. We have the onion stir fry with, first we put avocado oil from medium to high heat. Avocado oil is better than vegetable oil. Don't use vegetable oil or corn oil, okay? A lot of hexane and all these chemicals. Avocado cold pressed better. And then vegetarian version, we use coconut amino to season. Then after you heat the oil, put the garlic, put actually onion first, and then garlic. If you let it sit about 10 minutes after cutting, it actually activates the enzyme. It's better, similar to broccoli. Don't cook it right away. Cut in the cutting board and let it sit for a little bit. That activate the enzymes in the plant that make it more beneficial when you eat it. And then we season with, I have this monk fruit, organic monk fruit powder instead of sugar. You can also use coconut palm sugar. That's the Thai style. And for the non-vegetarian version, I have langoustine here, and we can use langoustine with the fish sauce seasoning. Fish sauce is actually fermented food. It's good for your gut health. And onion is beneficial for your immune function, lower cholesterol, good for cardiovascular health, good for blood sugar, insulin levels, similar to garlic. Garlic also has antibacterial properties. You know, they use garlic oil for ear infection as well. And now we put a little bit of that in there. But for people who are gluten-free like me, coconut amino is a good substitute for soy sauce. Or can use for vegetarian instead of fish sauce as well. And garlic is actually help you detoxify as well. Onion actually is more beneficial if you eat it raw, but cooked one is still beneficial. And you know that people use onion energy to help with cold symptoms with the clear nasal discharge or clean runny nose too. So here you have it, stir fry Tulsi, also a bunch of antioxidants. So there's a bunch of antioxidants, including with the sweet bell pepper in here. And again, either vegetarian or not, this is gonna be good for your gut health and your immune function. Love to y'all. Thank you for watching. Check out now I forgot my channel. www.longevityhealthchannel.com. Bye for now. Talk soon.